Hmm? So. Finished. That's the warning apparatus in place.
You really have to get some food and sleep now, Papa. You've been at it without a break for 48 hours. Now, I've had a bed put up in the Institute shelter.
Shelter? What shelter?
There's a practice air raid alert on. We should have been down there an hour ago.
An alert? For why?
Because of you, Papa. Because of you and this bomb of yours.
Yeah, I see. I wonder what they would think if they knew about my little working model. I think that they would all be very afraid.
I'm glad that warning apparatus works.
Yeah, of course.
Come on, Papa, please.
Yes, for how long?
It could be some time. They want people to get used to long alerts.
And then I will have to remove the detonator to make it harmless. It's very sensitive. It can go off like. Are you sure you haven't got a hairpin?
Hey, what's going on here? Why aren't you two in the air raid shelter? What's the big idea?
What's the idea of coming into this lab without knocking?
Look, sister, this is an alert, so let's be alert. Come on, out, out, out.
Look, you'll get out if you know what's good for you.
Are you kidding? Now, you two can go peaceable or I can drag you out, so which is it going to be? Hey, what are we doing? Playing games here? Come along, Pa.
Don't you know that's Dr. Kokins?
Coking, smokins, who cares? Come on, let's get going. Wait a minute. Cokins? You mean the fellow with the Q-bomb?
That's right.
No kidding.
No kidding.
Hi, Doc.
How do you do?
Hey, this is it, huh?
That's it. But it's a secret. Now, do you mind leaving us alone? My father wants to disconnect it.
What? You mean it's connected?
It sure is. And what's more, it's on a hair trigger. So please don't slam the door on the way out.
Yeah, sure. Okay. See you later, Doc.
Yes, goodbye.
Hey, why isn't he in Oak Ridge with the rest of the scientists?
He's eccentric. He likes to work alone.
But I thought this thing was only in the planning stage.
It was. This is his first working model. He wants to surprise everybody.
Great sense of humor. Oh, one more question. Why is it so different from an H-bomb?
The H-bomb? This new bomb is based on quodium, which is 100 times more powerful than hydrogen.
In fact, my father uses an H-bomb just to trigger this one off. It could probably blow up all of North